Okay, once you have created your Quizlet list of terms, you can see here in my example I have 36 terms. In order to take the quiz, I need to click on the test button. And since I have 36 terms, there's only 5, 10, 15, 20. There's only 20 questions, so I need to change that. So I need to click on Options and make sure that I change the amount of questions to equal the amount of terms that I have. Then you'll see the number has changed. So then I can take the test, and once I take the test, I can check my answers. You will see I got a big 0. This is what you will take a screenshot and submit for the grade for the quiz.